How to respect yourself so others start respecting you. Number 1. Take care of yourself first. Remember the time when you have last prioritized yourself. Being simple like eat on time, fix your sleep routine, dress like you appreciate yourself, take mini mental breaks daily to reset. If there is you not valuing yourself, then how would the others do it for you? Number 2. Know your boundaries. Have you ever said yes to someone when your intuition was saying no? You have to set the clear boundaries with your time, your energy, your relationship. Respect begins when you show others how to treat you. And never forget, it's sometimes better to say no to someone as well. Number 3. Speak with intention. Have you ever been uttered when talking to someone? If yes, then stop mumbling and apologizing for well-being. I can give you the hacks for this. Speak slowly to sound more confident. Stop using sorry to fill up the silences. And never forget, there are people who admire others to keep their own words. Number 4. Keep your promises. No matter how big or the small the promise is, you have to keep it safe aside. Call back when you said you would. Show up when you promised. But suddenly, if you messed it up, just own it and fix it. People will value your honesty over the excuses. Your word is your bond. Never ever break it. Number 5. Build quiet confidence. Don't be loud, don't be showy, be the just you, the real you. You have to work both hard and smart work, even though if nobody is watching. Wear clothes that reflect how you want to feel. Bold, smart, approachable. Make eye contact, it's a game changer. Smile like you mean it. And you know what? Confidence whispers, it doesn't need to scream. Number 6, and the most important, learn to say no. You don't always need to explain yourself to others. Just say no, I can't, and full stop. Protect yourself by saying no when it is forced, you are too tired, it doesn't align with your goals. Respect your own time before you give it away, because time is precious. And number 7, respect others first. If you want respect, give it first to others. This can be done by listening more than you talk, celebrating others' win, treating everyone equal. Simple greetings or the thank you goes a long way. Remember, respect given is respect earned. These are some of the best learnings I have got. Thank you everyone. This is much for today. This is Inner Chinese. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more contents like this. And if you are already aligned with any of the following strategies, don't forget to comment down in the comment section. And if you are equipped with more knowledge on how to get respect and take respect, then comment section is always open for you. Thank you everyone. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. How to respect yourself so others start. Number 1. Begin with eat on time, sleep. If there is you not valuing it, then why would the others do this? Have you ever said yes to someone when your intention was if you align with any of the